How to fix Instagram invalid credential problem. If you get invalid credential while trying to change your password, the system is rejecting what it thinks is your current password. So you can easily change your password. Enter your username and while entering your password, simply tap on the forget password. Then to find your account, enter your phone number. If you don't have phone number registered, tap on find by mail or username and after that enter your credential and tap on continue. A verification link will be sent to your email or SMS and tap the reset password link inside the message and type a brand new password directly bypassing the broken current password field entirely. If you cannot log in from the Instagram application, you can easily switch to the browser version and continue to log in from it. If that doesn't help, try clearing the app case by long pressing on it and tap on the app info icon. From here, simply scroll down to the storage section and tap on it. There you'll see the case and tap on clear case at the end. Now simply head back and tap on force stop and tap on OK to clear any corrupted files and bugs. And while performing login, disable any active VPNs that you are using. And if you're on Wi-Fi, you can turn on airplane mode on to reset it, wait for 10 to 15 seconds and turn it off. If your Wi-Fi is poor, you can always switch back to mobile data and attempt to re-log in again. And that's it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed the video, consider give a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.